Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I forgot to make an intro, so this is my intro for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrow routine. It was requested. I heard that I have nice eyebrows, but as you can see right now, I don't. So if you guys want to see me have some nice eyebrows and see how to do your eyebrows like mine, then just keep on watching. Okay, so first thing, the products I use are all right here. It looks like a lot, but it's really not. So this is my concealer. It's by Koki Professionals. It's the Be Bright concealer, and I am in light SC 762. This is my Anastasia dip brow in medium brown, the Anastasia pen. This is Sugar Arched Arrival Brow Definer in Taupe Tom, and it's angled. I don't know why it's not coming up. Okay, anyway, there we go. So this is dirty, but it is clear mascara. I think this is CoverGirl's clear mascara. It's like gray now because I use it for my eyebrows. I use a flat brush, and this is new. It's La Beauté Fatale Brow Fix Tint and Shaper. I just got this in my Ipsy bag, and I have so far been liking it. So you guys are up close. I know, excuse my blemishes, and excuse this horrible eyeliner. I just wanted to do something like real quick because I look weird when I only have brows on. So yeah, and I use a magnifying mirror and I use a regular mirror. So the first thing I do is I go in and I brush out my brows. So I'm gonna take my dip brow. This is super pigmented. I've had let's see, of November. I remember I went and I got it for my birthday. So we're gonna dip on in there. And I always do the bottom of my brows. I'm gonna do this a little bit different because if you guys have seen like my makeup tutorials, I do the bottom of my brows, then I do my eyeshadow. But since I'm not gonna be doing eyeshadow, we're just gonna do it the same way I would do it if I wasn't wearing eyeshadow. So I start very lightly in the front because I don't like the front of my brows to be harsh, but I do get kind of harsh going towards the end and the middle. As you guys can see how light it is from the front than it is at the tail of my eyebrow. And then I go and I brush out the front a little bit just in case it is a little bit harsh. And then we do the next brow. And so now I usually just brush my eyebrow hairs down and I start to do the top the same way. I do harsher at the edges and I do very light at the top. And whatever is left on my brush, I start to fill in using that. Sometimes I'll dip in a little bit if there's not a lot of product left on the brush, but I usually just start to fill in with whatever I have left because I'm gonna go in with some more product. So now we are gonna go in with the sugar brow definer pencil thingy majigger, I don't know. I fill in with this. I fill in the front very lightly, or as light as I can, and it's angled, so it kind of, I mean, if you were to see it in person, then you know what I mean by it helps like coloring your brows, but you guys really can't see, so just keep watching the video. So I go back in with my spoolie and I start to brush out the front to make it lighter. We're still not really done adding products, but I don't like the front to be super hard. I like it to be faded. Now I take my concealer and my flat shader brush. I'll leave the link to both of these so you guys can purchase them if you want. I just go in and I start to carve out my brows. I started just using this flat shader brush today actually. I was using a different one before, but I feel like this one really carves it out better than the one I was using before. Also, make sure you guys blend your concealer, especially on the bottom and the top. I usually will do this and then put on foundation, but because for this video I'm not putting on foundation, I'm going to blend it out really good so you guys really can't tell. But this flat shader brush I recommend because it really carves like really good. Once again, we go in with the spoolie and brush everything out. Now we're gonna go in and apply this brow tint. I like to do it more on the edges of the tail of my brow rather than the front because like I said, I like that faded look in the front. So at this point I usually just look back and kind of take my spoolie and brush out whatever needs to be like less. Okay guys, so this is how I do my brows. I don't have mascara on. I know I look a little bit funny, but it's really simple. This is just the way I do it. I know a lot of other people do it differently. I use, like I said, the simplest little items. I will put all the links to these items in the description if you guys want to get them for yourselves. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was highly requested by a lot of people. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like, and turn on your post notifications. And I will see you guys next video.